Today we can start with the sum of the n terms. That is second part of arithmetic progression. I hope you all are clear with the first part. Okay. So okay. So you all are there. Okay. So yesterday I gave the sum of n terms. Sn is equal to n2 inside the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, that formula we did, and after that we splitted that and we write it in terms of Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus last term. So we can do these questions now. Write down. Find the sum of the first 10 multiples of 6. Find the sum of 10 of 6. Okay. First we can do all the simple problems, then we can go for some hard problems, means 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 marks and 5 marks. Okay. So first question is find the sum of first 10 multiples of 6. Okay. So we have to find out the sum of the first 10 multiples of the 6. Okay. So first multiples, 10 multiples of 6 are how much? 6, 12 and so on. And last term is 60 because they are saying 10 multiples. Okay. So here your a is nothing but 6, d is nothing but 6, and last term we have it as a 60. So can we use this formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus n. Okay, I will not use 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You can use that also. That also gives the answer. But here we know the last term. So that formula only we modified. Yesterday I gave this formula also. This term as a n. So here s 10 multiples, sum of 10 multiples of the 6. Okay, sum of 10 multiples of 6 is equal to n. N is number of how much? 10. 10 multiples are they given, no? N is what they are giving as a 10. 10 divided by what? 2. Now A is 6 and last term is also 60. So here 5 inside the bracket 66. Okay. 330 is the sum. Can you getting? Can you getting the problem? Read that. Yes. Write down this question or write down this answer. Okay, those who know they can solve with me. Okay, so we can cover more number of questions. Now write down this question. If nth number if nth number if nth term of an AP if nth term of an AP is 2n plus 1, if nth term of an AP is 2n plus 1, what is the sum of first three terms? What is the sum of first three terms? Okay. So here see the nth term is given. Nth term is given as what? 2n plus 1. Okay. Nth term means here we can write it as a nth term. Okay. That is a nth term is given. Nth term of an AP is 2n plus 1. What is the sum of first three numbers? Okay, sum of first three numbers we have to calculate. Now calculate here if n is equal to 1. Okay, if n is equal to 1, then how can you calculate this? N is equal to 1. N is equal to 1, then a first term is nothing but 2. N is nothing but 1 plus 1, that is 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so first three terms they are same, so I does not require here 2. If you want you can calculate, okay, and then I can calculate directly 3. So 3 is nothing but what here, 2 into 3 plus 1, so 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so I have the formula sum of first three terms. So here Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Okay, we can write a plus l because L is nothing but here A3 and first term is nothing but A1. So total 3 by 2, no, because they are asking first three terms. So 3 by 2, A is nothing but here 3 plus 7. Okay, so 3 by 2 into 7 plus 3 is 10. So here 5. So here answer will come 15. Okay, so sum of first three terms is nothing but 15. Okay. Can you getting this question? Yes, Deepak Deshmukhji, hi. Write down next question. Write down next question. Okay, try to understand what are the given quantities, what we have to calculate, and how we are applying the formulas. This is very important. And if you know small problems, then you can easily solve 3 mark and 3 and 5 marks question. Okay, so that is the reason you have to focus on the 1 mark and 2 mark questions properly. If you are clear with your concept, then only you can attempt the paper properly. Okay, so write down next. If the first term of an AP, if the first term of an AP is minus 5 and the common difference is 2 and the common difference is 2, then find the sum of first 6 terms. Then find the sum of first 6 terms. Okay, I'll repeat this. If the first term of an AP is minus 5 and the common difference is 2, find the sum of first 6 terms. Okay, so here you can solve, you know this how to solve. Common difference is given, first term is given, and they are asking sum of 6 numbers. So n is nothing but here 6. A is nothing but how much? Minus 5. Okay, A is minus 5, common difference is 2. Sum of nth term is nothing but n by 2. Inside the bracket here you can write, now here no last term, so 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so sum of 6 terms, that is n is equal to here 6 by 2 twice of a, that is minus 5, here minus 5 plus 6 minus 1, common difference is 2. Okay, so here 3, 2 3s are 6, then 2 5s are 10 with minus sign, 6 minus 1 is 5 and 5 into 2 is nothing but what? 10. So answer we will get how much? 0. Okay, so answer we will get it as a 0 because this is minus 10 plus 10 are 0. As here it is minus 5 is there and plus 2 you are adding, number is what? Started decreasing. Okay, and equal and opposite numbers are get added, then we are getting sum is equal to 0. Getting this? Copy this. Okay, write down next question. Find the sum of first 20 terms. I hope you all are solving with me. I am assuming like that. Okay. For some question I can give a gap, but for some question I can't. So write down, find the sum of first 20 terms. Find the sum of first 20 terms of the following AP. Of the following AP. And AP is given 1, 4, 7, 10 and so on. Find the sum of first 20 terms of the following AP 1, 4, 7, 10 and so on. First 20 terms sum we have to find out over here. Okay, and the given AP is, we have to use the formula, same formula we have to use here. So I keep the formula as it is. The given AP is 1, 4, 7 and 10 and so on. Okay, this is what the AP. From this we can write 1, A is 1, common difference is 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3, and number of sum of how much? 20 terms. So n is equal to how much here? 20 given. Okay, once you get this, then you can sum of 20 terms is equal to 20 by 2, inside the bracket 2 into A, that is 1, n minus 1, that is 19 minus 1, oh no, not 19, 20 minus 1, and common difference is 3. So substitute, first write the formula, then substitute the value. Go step by step, okay, don't be rushed. So here 10 and here 2 plus 19 into 3. Okay, simplify this. 57, 10 into 59, that is equal to 590. Okay, this is nothing but what your sum. Getting? So this is 2-mark question. Here we have to, AP is given, and from that you have to calculate A, D, and the number of terms you have to calculate. A number of terms are given. So write the formula and substitute the value and calculate the answer. Okay. So for finding out correct A, D and N, you will get half mark, and remaining 1.5 mark. Means half mark is for formula and 1 mark is for entire calculation. Can you get in this? Copy this. This is very simple and straightforward question, which came in the 2020 board paper. Okay. So write down next question. The sum of 7 terms. The sum of first 7 terms of an AP. The sum of the first 7 terms of an AP, 7 terms of an AP is 63. And that of its next 7 terms, is 161. Find the AP. I will write here. I will explain one more time. The sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 63, and that of next 7 terms is 161. Find the AP. Okay. Now this is little bit different question. We have to find out the AP from this. Okay. So I will explain you how to solve this question. Okay. We are using again same formula. They are saying here sum of first 7 terms is equal to 60. So first I will deal with this. First sum of 7 terms is equal to 63. So this is what the given. Okay, next is also given, but we can simplify this first. So here we can use Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So here sum of 7 terms is 63. Here 7 by 2 and 2a I don't know, and 7 means here 6, because 7 minus 1 is 6, common difference also we don't know. So here I will 2 will transpose here, 2 divided by 7 is equal to, if I again take 2 common, then a plus 3d. Okay, 2 also I will transpose, or you can cancel it out, 2. Okay, and so 7 nines are 63, a plus 3d. Okay, so this is what I got the equation number 1. Can you get in how I am solving? Can you getting this? Okay, once we get this equation number 1, then what I am saying, next 7 terms is 161. Means after this 7 terms, again next 7 terms are there, and that 7 terms sum is 161 is given. Okay, means total how many terms we have? Initially we have this S7, and after that I will write 7 plus. Means here 161 is given. This 7 terms plus this 7 terms is nothing but 14 terms are there, no? Correct? Can you getting my point? So here can I write S14 is equal to S7 plus S7 plus, can I, so this is first 7 and this is next 7 terms. So we got this, and this is given how much sum? The sum is given 63 plus 161. So here you will get a sum of total 14 terms. So sum of 14 terms is nothing but how much you will get? 224. Okay, S is equal to how much? 224 you will get. Then calculate now, once you get S14. Okay, so in first case we know that, then S14 we got 224, then total terms are there, 14 terms are there. Okay, so can you calculate by using this? Sum of S14 is equal to how much? We can write here again n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S14 is 224 is equal to 14 by 2. Inside the bracket 2a plus 14 means 13d. Okay, so here 7, so 224 by 7 is equal to 2a plus 13d. Okay, now you can divide by this 7. Check how much. Is it 32? 32 is equal to 2a plus 13d. Okay, so this is what I got the equation for S14 terms. Okay, this is my equation number 2. Now you can simply now you can take 1 and 2 and do the solve this by elimination method. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay, subtract it. Here I will multiply by 2. Here only I will multiply by 2. Okay, so here this equation comes 9 2s are 18, twice a plus 6d. Okay, so this is now my equation, new equation 1. So I will write here 2a plus 6d is equal to 18, and another equation is what here, 2a plus 13d is equal to 32. So minus sign will come. 13 minus 6 is nothing but 7. Okay, minus 70, and here 32 minus 18 is nothing but how much? 14. Okay, that is nothing but how much? 14 with negative sign, minus 4. So minus and minus get cancelled. D is equal to 14 by 7, that is equal to 2. So you got answer here to D as a 2, and find out A. No, here any equation you can take. 9 is equal to A plus 3 into D is nothing but 2. So 9, 3 2s are 6, transpose to this side A. So A is equal to how much? 3. Okay. So I got here first term is 3. Add 2 into that. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. And so on. This term we will get. So this is what an AP we got. This is 3-mark question. Think it properly and solve. Here 7 terms are given. First 7 terms of sum is given here 63. Next 7 terms sum is given 161. Okay. Then calculate from this information. Sn is S for S7. You can obtain the equation and then obtain equation for S sum of 14. And very important thing, we know the sum. Sum of first 7 term and sum of the next 7 terms is nothing but we are getting 2 to 4. So from this you can calculate the sum of 14 terms. Again you will get the equation. Okay. Here in this case S7 plus 161, that we can't do. Okay, because in this case from where it is started that we don't know. Okay, previous things we don't know. That is the reason we have to take a sum of these two and then obtain the equation for the S14. Okay, and find out the AP. Copy this. Okay, everyone copied? Okay, write down next question. I hope you understood this. Okay, so little bit long and lengthy problem. Write down next one. If Sn comma the sum of first n terms comma sum of first n terms of an AP is given by Sn is equal to 3n square minus 4n. 3n square minus 4n. Find the n term. Find the nth term. Find the nth term. Okay. So here question is that this is IMP question, mark it as IMP. Very important question. We are using one formula over here. Okay. So here Sn is the sum of first n terms of an AP is given by Sn is equal to 3n minus 4n. Check while doing calculation, sometimes maybe the calculation mistakes are taking place from my end also. You people can check accordingly. Okay, and here Sn is given. Sn is given 3n square minus 4n minus 4n. Okay, sum is given. Okay, and they are asking us to find out here a nth term. Can you getting what is the question? Sum of nth term is given and they are asking as nth term they are asking. Okay, so here we have the formula. Okay, which formula we have? We have an to get nth term from the sum is nothing but what? S nth term minus s minus 1. Okay, means previous term. So that subtraction you have to take and find out the answer. Okay. So how can you calculate now? Already s nth term I know. Okay. S nth term I know. Then calculate the next one. So here Sn is nothing but given, no, 3n square minus 4n, and Sn minus 1, that means 3n minus 1 square minus 4n minus 1. Can you getting this? Okay. And now simplify this and calculate. So here what do we get? 3 expand n minus 1 whole bracket square, that is you can use a minus b whole bracket square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. That formula you have to use here. Okay, so here a square, that is nothing but n square plus 1 minus twice of n minus 4 inside the bracket n minus 1. So I will multiply this inside, this also I will multiply. Here negative sign is there, so entire signs are get changed here. So 3n square plus 3 minus 6n minus 4n minus minus plus 4. Okay, so I will collect here all the n square terms, only one is there. Minus 6n minus 4n is minus 10n, and then plus 3 plus 4 is plus 7. Okay, this is what I am getting as n minus 1 term. Now here we have an is nothing but what? Sn minus s minus 1. So an is nothing but Sn minus Sn minus 1 term. So Sn is nothing but how much? 3n square minus 4n. This is Sn, and minus we have inside the bracket. Don't forget the bracket. If you forget the bracket, then your answer you will not get. Okay, so before minus is there, keep the bracket over here. Okay, so 3 inside the bracket. 3 inside the bracket, 3n square minus 10n plus 7. Okay, multiply this negative sign inside the bracket. Check what you will get. Negative sign you can send inside the bracket. 3n square minus 4n minus 3n square, and minus minus plus 10n minus plus is minus 7. So plus 3n square minus 3n square get cancelled. Minus 4n plus 10 is nothing but how much? Minus 6, plus 6. Plus 6n minus 7. Okay, so here an the term we will get it as 6n minus 1. Okay, this is also in terms of n. Okay, getting this, how to solve if this kind of questions will come. So here the important thing is that you should come to know that how to use the formula. If the sum is given and they are asking a nth term, then you have to always go for s nth term minus Sn minus 1. Sum previous you have to take. Okay, and there in this equation we are putting instead of n minus 1 for Sn minus 1 terms. Getting this? Copy this. So all questions, today's questions, all are sum related questions are very important. Okay, write down next question. Here I am trying to cover almost variety of questions. Okay, so you can also practice at home. Next write down. Find the sum of first 8 multiples of 3. Find the sum of first 8 multiples of 3. Find the first 8 multiples of 3. Okay, 8 multiples of 3. Sum of first 8 multiples of 3. Okay, write down. You can able to do it. Okay, and once you get the answer, let me know. Just now at the beginning of this session only we did the same question, but for the number 7. Okay, so check what is the answer for this. Find the sum of first 8 multiples of 3. Okay, 8 multiples of 3, that means 3 multiples we have to write. Okay, that means here we know the last term, we know the first term, we know the common difference. Okay, substitute that values. Those who questions, previous questions also, very important questions I covered here. So first 8 multiples of 3. So last term is 24, no, 8 multiple. Okay, 8 3s are 24. So once you will get this, then here A is 3, D is also 3, and last term is 24. So S 8, that is N is equal to 8. So N by 2, A plus L. Okay, 8 by 2, A is 3, L is 24. So here 4 inside this bracket, 24, 27, 108. Check the answer with me. Is the same answer everyone got? Can everyone got the same answer? Okay, write down next question. Write down next question and make it 5-star, very IMP question. Okay, write down. How many terms of an AP? How many terms of an AP minus 6? First step is minus 6, comma, minus 11, minus 11 by 2, comma, minus 5, comma, minus 5, comma, minus 9 by 2, comma, minus 9 by 2, and so on. I'll repeat the AP. Minus 6, comma, minus 11 by 2, minus 5, minus 9 by 2 are needed to give their sum 0. To give their sum 0. Okay. Why this is important, I will tell you. Here देखो हम question is what, here AP is given. Okay, AP is given, and what is the AP here? AP is minus 6, minus 11 by 2, and then minus how much? 5, minus 5. minus 9 by 2. Okay. So here from this at least you can answer minus A is minus 6 and D is nothing but minus 11 by 2 minus of minus 6. Okay, don't forget here people are making mistake. Okay, so here can I write minus 11 by 2 plus 6, then take LCM here, minus 11 plus 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. This is the common difference. Getting this? So D I got it as half here. Now once you get this, here what they are saying how many terms we require to get the sum is equal to 0. That means they gave already the sum is equal to what? 0. Then what I have to find out? I have to find out here number of terms. How many number of terms which we required where we got the sum is equal to what? 0. Okay. So here SL is given directly, that is 0. Sum 0, we have to find out the number of terms. How many number of terms are there, so that all the terms we are adding and we are getting the sum is equal to 0. Can you getting the question how it is? Okay. Now you here write down the formula first. Sn is equal to n by 2 inside the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So for solving a and d you will get half. For writing correct formula half you will get. So here you will get 1 mark. Now here you can start substituting the values. Sn they are saying 0 and we have to find out. Okay, 2 a is nothing but how much? Minus 6 plus n minus 1 into what? D. D is nothing but 2. See, whatever the values I know, I did the calculations over here. Now what we have to do? Here try to simplify. Okay, 2 you can transpose to this side. This will become 0 and so here I will get 6 2s are 12, that is minus 12 plus n minus 1 into half. Now you can take, now what you can do, multiply the equation by 2 here. Okay, entire LHS and RHS also you can multiply by 2. So 2 into 0 is equal to 2 into n. Okay, or what you can do, instead of multiplying you can take LCM, that is better. Okay, anyhow that is getting cancelled only. And so 2 here if you multiply 2 minus 24 plus n minus 1, okay, divided by 2. Okay, so now here you can simplify further. So 2 you can take it out. So if you can transpose to this side, it is get multiplied, again you will get 0. 0 is equal to n, here minus 24 plus n minus 1. Okay, getting this much. So here you can write here only, or okay, everyone copied up to D. Okay, you can copy up to D, then we will go for further simplification, or else I will try to do here also. Okay, so here 0 is equal to, here 24 minus 1 is minus 25 plus n. Okay, and outside the bracket also we have n. So 0 is equal to, multiply this n, minus 25 n plus n square. Can you getting this? Now you can transpose this 25 to this side. This will become 25n is equal to n square. 1n and 1n get cancelled. N is equal to how much? 25. So total number of terms are 25. When we take 25 terms and if we add 25, then we will get how much answer? 0 is the answer. Can you getting this? Understood? So this is also very important question for the exam point of view. So do it properly. Okay. So up to here you will get 1 mark and remaining calculation you have 2 marks. Okay. So here understanding of problem is very important. Getting this? Copy this. In an AP, write down, in an AP, of 50 terms, in an AP of 50 terms, comma, the sum of the first 10 terms, the sum of first 10 terms is 210, is 210, and the sum of its last 15 terms, the sum of last 15 terms is 2565. 2565. Find the AP. Find the AP. Okay, I will repeat the question. In an AP of 50 terms, the sum of first 10 terms is 210 and the sum of last 15 terms is 2565. Find the AP. Okay, can you try this question? Calculate. Check this, how to solve. Here S10, first 10 term का sum is given 210. I purposely took this question. Calculate this, try this, how to solve this. Check how can we do this. I am expecting the answer from your end. At least try for first 10 terms, then last 15 terms, how can we take. How can we do? At least you can calculate sum of first 10 term. Okay, we have to find out here AP. Okay, so how to do this question? This is also very important question. Check how can you solve. Okay, so here one more concept we are using. Okay, maybe you stuck for last 15 terms, maybe you will not get the answer. Okay, in second part kids are making mistake. I hope everyone is copied here. Okay, so they are saying first 10 terms sum is given. Sum of first term is 210. Okay, so we can write here Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is nothing but 210. First 10 terms, that is 10 by 2 to a plus 10 minus 1 is nothing but 9. 9d. So here 2 I will transpose 0 to 420 divided by 10, that is 2a plus 9d. I did the multiplication and 10 I divided here, 0 0 get cancelled. 42 is equal to 2a plus 9d. This is what my equation number 1. Now they are saying here last term. Okay, that is nothing but how much? Sum of last 15 term. So sum of last 15 term means I will write here inside the bracket last 15, that is given how much? 2565. Okay, this is given. But here the problem is that sum of the last 15 term of an AP is 2265. Then in the last 15 terms, the first term are nothing but how much? Check. Here we can subtract 50. Okay, 50, and how many terms? Remaining terms are last 15 terms. If you remove it, then you will get how much here? 35. Okay, so 50 minus 35 is nothing but how much? 35. How much you will get? And here we are adding one term into it. So how much answer you will get? 15 only, no? Check how much you will get. Sorry, not 15. You will get here 36th term. So last 15 terms from the first term. Means here they are saying last 15 terms are there. So from the first, how much it is? So 50 minus 35 plus 1, that is nothing but what? Your 36th term you are getting. Okay, so 36th term, and but here we are subtracting 35 and we are adding 1. Okay, that means we are getting here 36th term. So 36th term, A36. Right here, sorry, not A36. We can write, yeah, first 15 terms they are asking, no? Okay. Okay, okay. Once you will get S15 here, keep it the answer as it is. S last, or what we can do, no need to solve this much only we can write. Okay, so 50 minus 35 plus 1, we will keep this as it is, and here we got here 36th term, no? So 36th term, then we can write A36. A we don't know. A plus we have the formula A plus n minus 1, that is 35d. And next is what? A58th term. I don't know what is A58. So here plus 49d. So these are what? A36 and A58th term I got. So once I will get, then they are asking sum of the last 15 terms. Okay, sum of the last 15 terms is nothing but what? Everyone copied this part. Okay, I will try to solve here. Sum of last 15 terms, that is S15, is nothing but I will write 15 by 2. That is, I will use this formula. Okay, n by 2, that is 15 by 2. Sum of the last 15 terms, that means from the first is how much? 36. Okay, and last term is 50 here. Okay, add this both the terms. Here I will write A36 plus A50. Okay, so here 15 by 2. A36 is nothing but A plus 35D plus A plus 49D. Okay, so here 15 by 2. So A plus A is a 2A plus 49 plus 35. That is nothing but how much? 14. So 5 plus 3, 8. 84D. Okay. Then you can take here 2 common. So 15 by 2 into 2. So A plus, here you will get 2 and here 4. 42 into D. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. 15 A plus 42 D. Okay. This I will get. And already the sum of first 15 terms is, last 15 terms is given, that is nothing but 2565. You can compare with that. 2565 is equal to 15A plus 42D. Put the bracket, 15 you can transpose. 2565 divided by 15 is equal to A plus 42D. So now 15, how much you will get, check? Is it 121? A plus 42D. Okay. Now you can take this as equation number 2. Very big problem. So once you get this, go for first equation. Compare that, add it or subtract it and solve this equation. Okay. Then you will get A and D and then you will get AP. So here I got 121 into is equal to A plus 42D. So here in first equation I have 42 2A plus 9D. So what I will do here, for equation 2 I multiplied by 2. 121 by 2 into A into 2 plus 42 into 2 into D. So here 242 twice of A plus here 84D. And first equation I have here 42 is equal to 2A plus 9D. Now subtract it. So here you will get 200 and 84 minus 9 is nothing but how much? 525D. Okay. Now find out the answer. Check D is how much you will get. दोनशे बाय 75. Answer we are getting in decimal. D I am getting in point. This is correct. No, 42 is equal to 2 plus 90. That is correct. Then 1. Yeah, this is also correct. Check my calculation once. Is I made a mistake anywhere? 42 into 2 is 84 only, no? Yeah, it's 84. 121 into 2 is 240. 42, correct. 2a minus here 42, 2a minus 9b, correct. 242 minus 42 is 200, correct. 2a get cancelled. Then 84 minus 9, no? Yeah, that is 75, correct. D I am getting 75 means 200 is equal to 75. This I made mistake here. 25 minus 25, 15. Here it will come 7. I did the wrong division. 171. Now you will get the answer. Okay, if we made a mistake, then see entire part is get cancelled. So this is 21 into 2 is how much? That is 342. 342 is equal to 2a plus 48d. I multiplied the equation by 2, okay? And now 42 minus 42 is equal to 2a plus 9d. Okay? So now here we will get 300 is equal to minus, you can do subtraction. So here it is get subtracted, 2a get cancelled. Now 48 minus 9 is how much here? 48 minus 9 is nothing but 39 D. Now check what is the answer. This is how much? 42, no? 42 into 2. Yeah, 4. Yeah, 80. 42 into 2 is 4. 84 will come. Sorry. Here 84 is there. Okay, 84 D. 84 minus 9. That is 75. 75 D. Okay, now check whether this is completely divisible or not. If not, I will quit. So here D is equal to 300 by 75, that is equal to 4. Okay, now calculate A from this. So I will substitute in this equation 1. So here 42 is 2 into A plus D is 4. 36. So 42 minus 36 is equal to 2A. So here it will come 6 is equal to 2A. So A is equal to how much? 3. Okay. I will get first term as a 3. Once you will get 3, then find the AP for this. How to write AP for this? First term is nothing but here 3. Okay. Then D is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15, and so on. This is nothing but what? Your AP. This is also 3-mark question. Important. That last term they are giving in that sum, but last term is nothing but what? We are imagine. We have to imagine we are taking that from the first. Okay. Can you getting everyone? Write down next problem. Case-based question, type question is there. Write down. Reshma wanted to save. Reshma wanted to save at least rupees 6,500 for sending her daughter to school next year. And inside the bracket information is given, that is after 12 months. She saved rupees 450. She saved rupees 450 She saved rupees 450 in the first month and raised her saving by rupees 20 every next month. How much will she be able to save in the next 12 months? In the next 12 months, question mark, will she be able to send her daughter to the school next year? Okay, I will repeat this question. Reshma wanted to save at least rupees 6,500 for sending her daughter to school next year, that is after 12 months. She saved rupees 450 in the first month and raised her saving by 20 rupees every month. So how much will she be able to save in next 2 months? Will she be able to send her daughter to the school next year? Okay, so we have to find out how much saving is there, and from that saving can she able to send her daughter to the school. So that we have to find out here. So here in short they gave a AP. Okay, she is saving how much? Total 6,500. Okay, her she saved 450 rupees in the first month. Okay, so here first term is what? 450. Okay, and after that every month she is increasing. Raised means what? She is increasing her savings by 20 rupees. That means here they gave the common difference, that is 20. Okay, because initially 450, then again she saved, that is 470, then next month 490, like that she is saving her money. So here A is nothing but how much? 450 rupees, and the common difference, she is increasing her savings by 20 rupees. That means you will get AP like this, so 450, 470, 490, like that, for she is saving for next 12 months.
Okay, so here common difference is nothing but 20. 470 minus 450 is 20, and she is increasing her saving by 20 rupees. So D is equal to 20. So A is given, D is given, and what they are asking here, how much money she can able to save here. Okay, and here number of months are nothing but what, 1 year, that is equal to 12 months. So we have to find out SN. Sn is nothing but n by 2 twice of a plus n minus 1 into d. Now n is here 12 by 2. 2 into a is nothing but 450 plus here 12 minus 1, that is 11, and common difference is nothing but here 20. Okay, so I will do 2 common, I will take 2 common. So 12 by 2 into 2 into 450 minus, not minus, plus 11 into 10, because 2 I already took common. 2 into 10 is 20. So here it will come 10. 2 and 2 get cancelled, 12. Here 450 plus 11 tens are 110. So here 450 plus 110 is nothing but how much? 560. So 560 into 12. So here 0, 12. Here 11, 0, 0, 6, 5. So 0, 2, 7, and here 6. So her income is saving, total monthly saving she is getting 6,720. Okay, she can able to save, and here they are saying what? Reshma wanted to save at least 6,500. Okay, so once we get this, compare 6,500, no, which is less than the 6,720. That means she is saving here yearly 6,720, which is greater than the 6,500, so that she can able to send her daughter to the school. Okay, like that. For writing this is also very important. Once you get this, then you can write. So 6,720 is greater than 6,500. So her daughter can go to school from her saving. Getting this, how to solve? Okay. Everyone can copy this. Now next question, write down. Okay, write down next question. Here, if in an AP, write down, in an AP, if S5 plus S7 is equal to 167 and S10 is nothing but 235. Then find the AP. Where Sn denotes the sum of first n terms. where Sn denotes the sum of first n terms. Okay, if in an AP, Sn is, if Sn S5 plus S7 is equal to 167 and S10 is equal to 235, then find the AP where Sn denotes the sum of n terms. Okay, so copy this and try to apply the logic. Okay, how can we solve this? Yes, anyone tried the question? Can you getting how to solve this? Yes, does anyone knows how to solve? Here, this is S5 and S7, right? With the help of this formula, n by 2 twice of a n minus 1 into d. So here S5 and S7 is equal to 167. So can I write here 5 by 2? I will put the values over here, 5 by 2 to a. I don't know anything about a and d. Okay. So 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus for S7, 7 by 2 twice of a n minus 1 into d is equal to 167. Yeah, one more thing. Yes, we can put here 5 also, no? So 5 by 2 twice of a, 5 minus 1 is 4d plus 7 by 2, here 2a plus n is nothing but 7. 7 minus 1 is 6d is equal to 167. Okay, we can simplify again further. How to simplify this? You can take here 2 common. Okay, 5 by 2 into 2. So a plus 2d, and here again you can take 2 common. So here a plus 3d. I hope everyone know how to take common. Okay, so you can factorize it and take out. So 2 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. 5 inside the bracket, a plus 2d plus 7 a plus 3d is equal to 160. How I did? So whatever the prior information I know, from that I substituted the values in and I got this answer. Okay. So we can further simplify. No, how to simplify this? Again multiply this 5 inside this bracket. No. So 5a plus 10d plus 7a plus 21d is equal to 167. So 7 plus 5 is nothing but 12. Okay. Here we can write 12a. 12a plus. Here 10 plus 21 is nothing but how much? 31d. 31d is equal to 167. Okay. So keep this equation number 1. So can you getting how I did up to here? But this is not answer. They are asking here AP. Okay, that means our aim is to find out a and d value. But I got here only one equation and they gave S10 term also. Okay, so S10, how can you write here? S10 is also given, no? So we can write it as S10 is nothing but 10 by 2 inside the bracket 2a plus 9, no? N minus 1 is nothing but 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into d. Okay, so S10 is 235 is equal to 5. 2a plus 9d. So 5 you can divide here. 5 is 47 is equal to 2a plus 9d. This is your equation number 2. 47 is equal to 2a. 47 is equal to 2a plus 9d. So I got your equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, so now can you simplify by elimination method? Okay, do that. Here it is 12a and here 2a is there, correct? So here can I multiply by 6? If you multiply by 6, then you can subtract it and calculate the answer. So here I have the 47 is equal to 2a plus 9d. So multiply by 12. So here 47 into 12. Check how much you will get. 47 into 12. That is 564 is equal to 12a plus we have how much? 12 nines are 108. So 108d. So once you get this, then go for this. 167 rearrange the term 12a plus 31d and subtract. Okay, this is get cancelled. 564. 564 minus 167. You can find out this. So here 7. So 15 and a 6, that is 9. And here 3, no, 4. 4 minus 1 is nothing but 3. 397 is equal to 108 minus 31, that is 7. And then 7 and 10 minus 3 is nothing but 4. 47. Sorry, not 10 plus, yeah, 7. 7d. 77. So check here 397 by 77 whether check it is divisible or not. Check this. I think my calculation are 397 only, no? Correct. 108 minus 31. 77. Check 47 into 12. 564. Hey, wait. I multiply here by 12. Actually here 2 is there, no? 12 2s are 24. No. Here multiply by 6 so that it will become 12. So now it is saturated maths. Oh my god. So 47 into 6. 47 into 6 is 282. 282 is equal to 12a, 54b, and here we have 167, 12a plus 31d. Okay, subtracted, these two are get cancelled. 282 minus we have 167, that is 115 is equal to 54 minus 31, that is nothing but 3 to d. So d is equal to 115 divided by 23, and 23, check, is it 5? So here you will get this as a 5, D as a 5. Once you get D, then substitute this D in any one of the equation to get the value for A. So 47 is equal to 2A plus 45. So 47 minus 45 is equal to 2A. So 47 minus 45 is a 2 is equal to 2A. So A I am getting 1. So after doing this, A is 1 only. So here the AP is nothing but what? 1. 1 and common difference I got it as a 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 5 is again 11 and so on. Okay, this is nothing but what? AP. These all are 3-mark question and they contain variety over here. Okay, copy this. Okay, see, I'm doing maths, so I'm get saturated. Okay, sometime I can made a mistake. You can just check while solving, because here I'm solving and finding out the solution. If they are not correct, and I'm going for back checking. So I think you all are aware, and you can rectify these mistakes. Okay, copied everyone. Okay, write down the next one. Okay, chalo, write down next one. Solve the equation. Solve the equation. Solve the equation. 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 dot plus x is equal to 2, 7. Okay, they are saying here solve the equation 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus dot plus x is equal to 287. Okay, so they are asking us to solve this equation for x, because x is unknown value over here. Okay, very IMP question. So I will take one more and I will. So still many questions are left from this. Maybe I will send you link in afternoon. Okay. So now so we can do some questions. The equation is given 1 plus 4 plus 7. 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus so on x only, no? X is equal to 287 is equal to 287. This much is given. Okay, and they are asking the equation. Solve this equation. Solve this equation means what? We have to find out the value for x here. Okay, so here first term, here given that here 1 plus 4 plus 7, that means in short sum is given. Okay, so here we can write a as a 1, a as a 1, and d is nothing but what? 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. Okay, getting up to here. Then here number of terms are in the series. Okay, we can assume the number of okay, so if these all are in series, then we can write sum of these numbers as nothing but n by 2, 2a n minus 1 into d. So we use this formula. Okay, and here they are saying this total sum is given for this series is 287. Sn is equal to this. So we can write here 287, and we don't know. And how many terms are there, that we don't know. So we can write it as n by 2. 2 into a is 1, and I don't know, minus 1, and d is nothing but here 3. Okay, so you can transpose this 2 over here. So 2, 7 2s are 14, 1 574, and 2 plus n minus 1. Okay, n minus 1 into 3. 3 also I'll multiply. 3 minus 3. Okay, so here n inside the bracket. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 plus 3n. So here 574. So multiply this n inside the bracket. N minus n. Minus 1 into n is minus n plus 3n square is nothing but 574. So rearrange the decreasing powers of n. So 3n square minus n square, transpose this 574 to that side. So that is minus 574 is equal to 0. Sorry, this is n. Getting? Now can you find out the answer over here? Now this is a quadratic equation we got. Find out the answer for this. Okay, split by using middle term splitting method, you can find out the answer. Did you find out the factors for this by splitting middle term method? So when we solve by this splitting middle term method, if last term is greater one, that is 574, then I told you always go for the prime factorization. Okay, then how to find out here? I will repeat that also. So here a is nothing but 3, b is minus 1, and c is nothing but 574. So we are taking a factors of a into c, that is 3 into minus 574. Okay, so answer will come minus 574 into 3. You can do this multiplication, check how much you will get. 1722. 1722, and take a factors of this. So you can go for a prime factorization, okay, and make a grouping of this prime factorization. So you will get the number. Getting this? So I know the factors here for this, that is minus 42 into 41 or 42 into you get 1722, but here middle term I got as a minus, so you can take 42 as a minus. So minus 42 plus 42 is nothing but minus 1. Okay, now substitute the values over here. So I will write 3n square minus 42n minus plus 41n minus 574. I hope everyone is copied the above part, then I will erase that and I will try to write the answer over here. I will continue here. That is 3n square minus 42n plus 41n 41n minus 574 is equal to 0. If I take here 3 common and n common, n minus here 3 ones are 3, 4, n minus 14 plus if I take 41 common here, then inside the bracket n minus 14 is equal to 0. Okay. So here you will get n minus 14 is a common, and here 3n plus 41 is equal to 0. Okay. So number of terms you can take here, n is equal to minus 14 is equal to 0, so n is equal to 14, and here 3n plus 41 is equal to 0, so 3n is equal to minus 41, so n is equal to minus 12. So number of terms are never negative, so we are taking n is equal to 14. So number of terms are how much here? 14. Here we have number of terms are 14. Then they are asking what here? Solve the equation for x. Yeah, we calculated x, and they are asking here the 14th term of x. Okay, 14th term. Okay, so 14th term is nothing but what here? A14. That is they are asking. Yeah, 14th term is x. They are saying 14th term is x here. Okay. X, then we can write now here a plus 14 minus 1 into d is equal to 14th term. Okay, that is nothing but how much? That is nothing but x. So write down here. We know the first term, that is 1. Here 13. D we got it as how much here in this equation? D we had as a 3. Okay, is equal to x. So 13 3s are 39 plus 1 40. So x is nothing but how much here? 40. Okay, so this is what the expected answer. Getting this? So here still more numericals are left, so I have to take one more session. Okay, so today I will stop this session. Then in the afternoon I will send you one more link. So I will require 1.5 hour to finish the questions from this. So we have to finish by this today. So then we can do another chapter, next chapter for the next day. Okay. So in today also I will send you the link, so you can join for some important questions from this chapter, that we will do it by today itself. Okay. Okay, thanks for joining. I will end this meeting.